Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make increase and decrease text box in Google Docs. So get it started. At first, open a docs file. Firstly, then going to the insert menu option and click for the drawing option and click for plus new option. Now click for text box, then create a text box. This text box is background color from fill color option, then NSS color and borderline color, then text box is write your text, this text is increase and decrease from going to the more menu option and click for the increase and click for the decrease option. And click for the save and close option. Then I show the make increase and decrease text box in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.